Hi, everybody. Good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. I've gotten a lot of questions today about your OMS assignments. And although we went over it in live classes, I wanted to just go over it one more time to help anybody that might be confused about your OMS assignments. So, I am in our ELA homepage, and like we have said all week long, make sure that you are reading your daily announcements. If so, you'll see OMS lesson, Unit 1. We are doing the first lesson, 1.01, the benefits of reading and writing. Today, August 30th, you only complete the get ready and the read topics. The two topics that you do today are get ready and read. If you scroll down on the left-hand side, you'll see your class plan. Today, August 30th, you have get ready and read. If you click on today's calendar, you'll see these two lessons. Some of you are confused because more than just today's is open. Some students like to work ahead. But again, if you look at the due dates, August 31st is practice and learn. Thursday, September 1st is review and assessment. So you have to pay attention to what is due today and not just plow forward, but you actually have to pay attention to what is due. Just to clarify again, another way you could look at it is through your content folder. So yes, technically you have visibility to see all of these lessons, but the only ones that are due today are get ready. And there's a couple of things for you to do in there. And read. And there's a couple of things for you to do here. If you are looking at this folder and you're thinking, my goodness, I have 5 things to do just in get ready, these are just reading materials. Ask questions before, during, and after reading. It's introducing the lessons. None of these should take you more than a couple of minutes. To do both the get ready and read should be less than an hour's worth of work. But remember, as part of an NCVA student, you are going to have about an hour's worth of work for each of your core classes after your live class connects. So, if you were confused about what was due today and the required topics, you're only required to do the get ready and read today, August 30th. The other ones are open in case you wanted to work ahead. As always, make sure that you are reading your announcements very carefully and paying attention to the directions so we don't get confused.